Moving on, Sanvi will now offer a Ganesha Stuti, Jaya Jaya Swamin, a devotional hymn dedicated to Lord Ganesha. This particular composition is by the Venerable Sri Narayana Tirthar, a 17th century saint and composer, and is a part of his work Krishna Leela Tarangini, a very famous musical play. In this piece, the dancer will vividly portray the divine qualities of Lord Ganesha, his wisdom, strength, and compassionate nature. It is a prayer for his blessings, not only for a smooth and successful performance, but for the well-being of everyone present here tonight. Please welcome Sanvi back onto the stage to perform Jaya Jaya Swamin in Ragam Nate set to Adi Talam.
Jaya Jaya Swamin, Jaya Jaya, 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 Jaya Jaya Swamin, Jaya Jaya. Jaya Jaya Chita Vairi Varka Prachalta 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 Jaya Jaya Gaja Mukha Jaya Vakra Tulta Jaya Jaya Chita Vairi Varka Prachalta Jaya Jaya Mukha Jaya Vakra Tulta Jaya Jaya Swamin Jaya 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 Swamin Jaya 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 Swamin Jaya Shakradi Suragana Sannuta Charana Shakradi Suragana Sannuta Charana Shakradi Suragana Sannuta Charana Sharakumba Mani Divya Bharana Shakradi Suragana Sannuta Charana Sharakumba Mani Divya Bharana Dikrita Gana Vishna Dimiravarana Dikra Gana Vishna Dimiravarana Dikrada Gana Vishna Dimiravarana Dikrada Gana Vishna Dimiravarana Tira Narayana Tirtha Sukaruna Dikradi Gana ಜಯ
Wow, what a beautiful performance that was. The word Jaya means victorious, and just as this piece celebrated the victorious spirit of Lord Ganesha, we hope the rest of this performance also goes Vijayavantanga or victoriously. Now, every performance you see tonight is a testament to more than just talent. It's about passion, it's about resilience, and it's about the relentless pursuit of excellence. Our dear Sanvi is a living example of all three. For 11 years, she has been a student of Bharatanatyam, training tirelessly at the Amudashri School of Dance under the revered guru Srimati Kalaimangai Anbalagan. Her journey is a collage of accomplishments, from gracing the stage at countless Amudashri annual days and supporting causes like the Genesis Foundation and UMass Pancreatic Cancer Research to starring in fundraising dance musical Vayu Putra by Sri Madurai R. Muralidharan. But what truly sets Sanvi apart is the remarkable person behind the artistry. When she's not dancing, she's a force of nature. As a senior at Shrewsbury High School, she's a 5-season varsity rower who has completed top regattas like the Head of the Charles in Boston. She's also a violinist who has honed her craft for 7 years, rising to become the president of her school's orchestra ensemble. And she's also the national president of the club United Sound. She's dedicated to making music accessible to everyone. And still, there's still another side to this remarkable woman. It's the side that many of you already know. For her dance friends, she's just not a peer, but their biggest champion. She is the loudest cheerleader in the crowd and the one who radiates pure joy and unwavering support from the audience. She's the bubbly, vibrant, and filled with energy that lifts up everyone around her. Tonight, she brings all of that, her passion, her power, and her radiant spirit to her own stage for all of us. Let's give it up for our own superstar of the night, Sanvi Dondapati.